Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to connect your iPhone device to your car and using CarPlay. Go on the setting and check out for connection, and you can see we have the Bluetooth connection, or you can use the shortcut just tapping on the Bluetooth connection and go back on your iPhone device, tap on setting and check out for Bluetooth, and you can see my iPhone device find my car. Once I tap on that, you can see I can pair my phone and click on allow, and we're gonna wait for a few seconds until we're gonna get a pop-up here on the screen of your car. Just back here, just first of all you have to use the CarPlay, then go click on yes, then go back on the menu. You can see we got the CarPlay in our car, and we can use Spotify, phone calls, and other applications we have here on the CarPlay of our car. So this is all about how we can connect our iPhone device to your car with using Bluetooth. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.